Grade 4, Module 5, Lesson 2 homework. Problem number 1. Step 1. Draw and shade a tape diagram of the given fraction. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and mark what they want us to do here. They want us to draw and shade a tape diagram of the given fraction. Step 2. Record the decomposition as a sum, so we need to make it as a plus problem, of unit fractions. Remember, unit fractions like 1/4, 1/3, anything that is 1 unit, 1/5. Step 3, record the decomposition of the fraction 2 or more ways. For the sake of space, I'm only going to do 2 ways. If you want to do more, please feel free to do that. And it says the first one has been done for you. So let's just check out that first one. It says 5, 6. So the first thing they did is they drew, step 1, they drew a tape diagram. Step 2, this is the decomposition of a sum of unit fractions, 1/6 plus 1/6 plus 1/6 plus 1/6 plus 1/6. And then they made 2 different ways to show the sum to add up to be 5, 6. So that's the first example. Let's do letter B. 6/8. I'm going to make a tape diagram that is broken down into 8ths. So there's my tape diagram broken down into 8ths. I know the whole thing represents one whole. And we want to shade in 6/8. So that's 6 pieces of the 8ths. So there's 1 piece, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those 8ths. So that's step 1, is to draw and shade the tape diagram. Step 2, record the decomposition as a sum of unit fractions. Well, 6/8, that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1/8 6 times. So we need 6 of those. 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8. And how many do I have? 5, and I need 1 more. So there's 6 1/8 added together, makes 6/8. So that was step 2. Step 3, we need to record 2 different ways to do this. So best way I think to do this is just to block it. Let's do it in color. So I'm maybe going to do a 3/8 and a 3/8. That would make 6/8. So here's one of my 6/8. 6/8 equals 3/8 plus 3/8. And let's look for another way. Oops, that's going to be too big. Let's just use a different color. Let's grab orange. And let's get that all colored back in. So we also could do 2/8 plus 2/8 plus 2/8. That also would be 6/8. So let's write that as our second method. 6/8 equals 2/8 plus 2/8 plus 2/8. So we have done step 1, step 2, and step 3.